Hi, welcome to Utilitarian TV. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add a subscribe button animation to your video using the Kinemaster mobile application. As you can see, a subscribe button with a green screen here. So how do you remove the green screen from this video to get something like this? I'll be showing you how to do that in this video. So let's get started. Utilitarian TV. Create a new file and select 16:9 as the video size. Then import the video you wish to add a subscribe animation button to. Click on layer and click on media. Then import the animation clip that you want to add. To remove the green screen, scroll up and click on Chromakey. Then click on enable. You can see the scrolling key for the setting of the green color. You can adjust this to get the perfect removal of the green screen. Then you adjust the clip size and fit it to the video. You can also select an intro or outro animation. This is the in animation. I'm using the enter slide right for the in animation. Then for the out animation, I'm using the exit slide left. You can also duplicate this animation clip to make it appear multiple times in your video. Click on this three dots and select the duplicate option. Long press and drag to move the clip. When you're done, you click on the export button at the top corner of the screen to export the video. Select the resolution of the video you want and click on the export. That's all for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it very useful, please kindly click the like button, share and also subscribe to my channel. In case if you have any doubts, please leave your comment in the comment box below. See you in my next video. Goodbye.